next. Fourth question, all of you. Who will read? Mr. Lingesh, read the fourth question.
A motorboat starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of...
Wait. First, a motorboat starting from rest means something is zero. Anybody can tell?
Initial
Initial velocity is zero. Very good. Accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square. Means what they have given? Velocity or acceleration? Acceleration. 3 meter per second square. Understand, Silas, how to read? Okay. And what is the time taken? What is the time given? How many seconds it is accelerated?
8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Yes, they are asking. How far does the boat travel during this time? How far? Far means what? We have to find distance or displacement. Of course, it is traveling in a straight line. So it is a distance or displacement. Displacement. Yes or no? Yeah. Now,
Yes,
Mr. Sanjay, you have to tell me. Nobody should tell. Which equation we should use? At least in chart, you should tell Sanjay. You cannot be silent. I am giving chance to you. Let me see. Sanjay will say or not. Otherwise, Shivani will say. Tell me, which equation we have to use? We want to find distance now. So we are having three equations of motion.
Displacement, sir. Displacement.
Yeah, displacement. So which equation? Agalya already found the answer. Very good, Agalya. Sanjay, tell me, Sanjay. Shivani. Which equation? Velocity, position and time. You know position and you want to time. Time, you know position, you want it. Position and time. Which equation? Very, very bad. So which equation, guys?
Sir, second equation.
Yeah, third equation you cannot use because for final velocity எனக்கு தெரியாது. சரியா? Understood, everybody? Yes. So using second equation. So tell me the answer. S is equals to, what is the second equation, Silas? S equals to ut plus half at square. Yeah. So S is equals to, initial velocity is 0, time is 8 plus half into, what is the acceleration given? 3 into,
3.
time is 8 square. So 0 into anything, 0 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 8 square means how much? 8 square, 64. So 2 ones are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. So which is equals to 3 into 32. So what is the unit of displacement, Kishore? Unit of displacement?
Meter.
Meters. So how many meters?
96 meters.
Okay, solve it. That's all. Is it a difficult thing? Alvin, Darshan?
No, sir.
Okay, solve. Very simple. See, whenever now I am saying, you will listen, guys. Keep it in mind. If you know the time and you know initial velocity is 0, and if you want to find displacement, blindly you go with which equation?
Second equation.
That's all. Clear?
No one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if they asked like acceleration is this much, velocity is this much, then means you need to go to derivation of equation, that method, sir.
No, you have to find which equation you have to use, Mari. That is important. Based upon the given data, you should be able to identify.
Yes, sir. No,
Yeah.
sir, I'm saying in that derivation method we need to go.
Derivation method means actually now present class 9th, no derivations. They deleted everything.
Sir, but like the sums is there or not, sir?
These sums are there. With the help of equations, you can solve.
Yes, sir.
Which derivation method? Derivation is only for deriving the equations. Here you have to use only formula.
Yes,
What another
Yes,
method you are thinking?
This method only, sir, I'm asking that we
Okay.
derived it, no, sir.
We derived by using graphical method as well as algebraic method.
Yes.
But both
Yes,
you
sir.
don't have. Both you don't have. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Completed this question? All of you? Yes. This question over. Next question, you have to take the graph paper and you have to draw. Of course, no need graph paper. Directly we can draw normal notes also, but you have to draw very perfectly. Okay, guys? We all knows distance time graph, velocity time graph, everything. Is it yes or no, guys? All of you? Yes, please. Now, I will ask you two questions. Can you tell me? Velocity time graph will give you what? Velocity time graph will give you something.
Acceleration.
Acceleration. Very good. Next, Area under the graph will give you something. Area under the graph. Displacement. Yes, very good. If you know this one, 11th class also is over. One chapter. Motion in a straight line. Okay. Now, so let us see the fifth question. Fifth question, Mr. Nivedan will read. Nivedan, read.
A driver of a car traveling at 50 km per hour
52.
applies
Read
the
carefully.
brakes
52, not 50. 52
52
kilometers.
km per hour
Applies the
applies
brake.
the brakes.
Applies the brakes means
Shade the
acceleration or deacceleration. Anybody?
Deacceleration.
Very good. So, what is the initial velocity of the car? 0 or
52
52?
kilometers.
Yes. Very
52
good.
km per hour.
Understand? Very good. So, the initial velocity of the car is how much, guys? All of you?
52
52
kilometers per hour.
km per hour.
52 kilometer per hour. Very nice. So, from there, he applied the brakes and finally, the car, okay, he applies the brakes, shade the area on the graph that represents the distance traveled by the car during the period. Which part of the graph represents uniform motion of the car, they are asking. So totally how many things they are having? 2 parts is there. Okay. So now Mr. Driver is traveling 52 km per hour and he started applying brakes. So applying brakes means finally body will come to where?
Rest.
Body will
Rest.
come to rest. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Please. That is what you have to remember. Okay, everybody clear? Yes, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And actually, this question is missing, Mari. It's no information about time. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is not possible to find at all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Actually, this is a new book. Do you have anybody having? You people are having this. Your book also having the same thing?
Yes, sir. Same sensor. The old book is there, sir. I'm having 2 old books,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. You take the old book, Mari. Old book, you just check it. It's not the
It's-
complete question. It's not the complete question. Correct? So without time, we cannot make it. Yes or no, guys?
Sir,
Yes,
fifth
sir.
question, sir.
Huh?
Sir, fifth question is very long in this book, sir.
Old book.
But the
Correct,
same
Mari?
question, sir.
Yes.
A driver of a car traveling
All of
at
you,
50
yes.
km per hour
Applies
applies
the
the
brakes.
brakes and accelerates uniformly in the opposite direction.
Opposite direction. Opposite direction means what is that? Acceleration.
Deacceleration.
Deacceleration. Deacceleration.
Yes.
That's what. So
The
we
car
can.
stops in 5 seconds.
How many seconds? The car stops in
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Means what is the time here to reach the velocity 0? Everybody. 5 seconds. Clear? All of you.
Another driver going at 3 kilometers
Mari,
per
let it be. Leave
hour.
it, Mari. Leave it, Mari. That's not needed. For this is enough for us. Only here one
Yes, sir.
driver is giving. So the graph
Yes.
represents the distance traveled by the car during the period. So now which part of the graph represents uniform motion of the car? They are asking. So let it
Total.
be. Yeah. This also we cannot answer actually. Okay. So second part also only because two persons. So they are giving original question. 2 persons are there. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let
Yes,
it
sir.
be. This one I will make it. Okay, you can find the distance. They are asking which part of the graph represents uniform motion. So this is only part of the graph which will represent uniform motion. So OAB, I will take it. So you can find the distance distance of the car traveled by the car. What is that car actually? Actually, this question itself wrong. Have you noticed it, guys? It is not even a proper question.
Sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Something what they are asking in the question also nobody knows. So that's what I'm saying. So you calculate the distance. So distance means what? Area under this graph. So what is the
Sir, it's
area?
meter.
Area under what is the triangle? Half into base. Base is how much? 5 into height is 52. So
Sir,
it is equal
sir.
to, yeah.
Sir, they give 5 seconds, but in the top it's kilometer per hour, no, sir.
We have to convert into meter per hour, meter per second. 52 into
Yes, sir.
5 by 18 meter per second. So 18 ones are 18 where? 52. Won't come. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So convert it everybody. 52 into 5, 260 divided by 18. So 14.4 will come. Okay, Mari?
Yes, sir. 14.4.
14.4. Everybody do it. 14.44 meter per second. So here also 14.4 will come. Okay, see that how much blunder mistake in NCERT. Have you all noticed it, guys?
Yes, sir.
14.4. If you solve that, what is the area under this? You'll get it. 36 meters will come. Okay. So what is the distance covered by the body? All of you. 36 meters. Clear? Okay. Understood, Amma? Any doubt? Anybody can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. Next. And this B part, have you seen the question here? Everybody? Have you seen the question here?
Yes, sir.
What is this question? Everybody read. Which
Sir,
part
find
of-
whether it's in uniform motion
No,
or
no,
asking.
no. Which part of the graph represents the uniform motion of the car? This question
Sir,
where
but the
should come,
total
guys?
graph is
Listen, Mari, listen. This question should come at where, Mari? Okay. This is. See that. Have you noticed it?
yes,
All of
sir.
you? Understand, Ra? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
See that how blunder mistake it is. So actually the same printing mistake actually they printed here. Here the question should come which car, actually two cars are there, car A and car B. Which car is traveling faster? We have to find it. That's all is the question. Yes, Mari, you have a old book.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, then can we cancel it out in our book, sir?
You can strike this question and that question I will share you the old PDF. In that PDF you can solve this question. Very, very bad it is actually. See that how worstly these people are doing. Okay. We shall we go to the next question? Leave this question. Okay, Agalya.
Yes.
Actually, this how they are doing also they don't know. That's what is the problem. Next question. Seventh question. Seventh question, you see that. So this is the figure actually they are giving, shows that distance time graph of three objects A, B, C. Study the graph and answer the following questions. Now, before going to say this question, I am saying you listen everybody carefully. Now I am taking a time and I am taking a distance. Okay. Now first body is this is the graph. Second body is this is the graph. Can you tell me whose slope is greater? Whose slope is greater? First body or second body? So let me take this is body and this is body B. Whose slope is
Sir,
greater?
B, sir.
B body slope
B.
is greater. So who is traveling faster? A or B?
B.
All of you.
B.
B slope
B.
is greater, so that slope of a B, slope B is greater than slope A. So that who is faster? B is
Slope.
faster. I taught you or not? This is Nivedan, Kishore, Lingesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So that is what remember. Now in the given question, observe three bodies are traveling. One is A body, another one is B body, another one is C body. Be very careful. Now, study the graph and answer the following question. That is what is our target. First one, which of these three is traveling the fastest? Which of these three is traveling the fastest? That is what my question. Anybody?
B.
All of you? Which is
A.
traveling faster? A, B, C. Which is faster? B. Why, guys? B, why B?
Sir, because it's so longer, sir.
Yes.
That's all.
Not longer, Mari. Not longer, Mari. Since the slope of the graph, slope, Mari, slope, not long.
Slope is
Okay.
high.
Slope of graph for object B, slope, since the slope of object B is greater than A and C. So who is faster? All of you.
B.
B is faster. Any doubt? Yes? All of you? Nobody.
No, sir.
Next. Are all the three ever at the same point on the road? Means all the three bodies are meeting at any point on the road. That is what they are asking. Check it. Is there any, all the 3 points? All the three
The
bodies?
same.
No, Mari. Is there meeting
No,
at the
sir.
same road? At that
No,
time?
sir.
No, sir.
No. Understanding?
No, sir.
So same point means, for example, like this. Is it any three bodies are meeting at the same point?
No,
Body
sir,
one,
it's not
body
meeting
three?
anywhere, sir.
No, not at all meeting. So that is why no. Answer B. What is the second question? No, they never met at the same point on the road. Is it okay, guys? Because no common intersection. Yes or no, guys? Since A, B, C coincide nowhere, A, B, and C Coincide. Please mute somebody. Who is that making noise? Coincide. Coincide nowhere. Nowhere. What is that? They'll meet at any point. They never meet. They never meet at any point. Clear? Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. How far C traveled when B passes A? Be very careful. Anybody explain the question? What is the question they are asking? By the time of B passes A, Darshan, please mute yourself. Maintain that. How far C traveled when B passes A? Can anybody tell me what is that? How far B travel when, sorry, C travel when B passes A? Means in the sense of, first you observe the graph. Where the B passing A, any point, find the intersection, where it is there. Book also you can check it. This is the intersection of B passes A. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please, all of you. All of you.
Yes, sir.
By the
Yes, sir.
time they are asking, what is the, how far the C passes, how far the C travel by the time of A crosses B or B crosses A. Means in the sense of, this is the, by the time C is at here. Is it okay, guys? When B is crossing the A, C is at this point. Yes or no? Will you all accept it?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can find the distance traveled by the body. So how to find the distance traveled by the body? How much travel it is? You can check it. How many kilometers is approximately?
8 kilometers.
Huh?
Sir,
8.
9.
Ray, 8. Understand now? Approximately how many kilometers?
Sir.
How many
8
kilometers?
kilometers.
So C traveled
8,
8 kilometers by the time of what? When B crosses A. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what
Yes,
you have
sir.
to remember. C has traveled 8 kilometers from the origin by the time of B crosses A. Is it okay? Mari?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
last question. How far has B traveled by the time it passes C? Only B traveled by the time it passes C. So B is crossing the C at which point? Everybody verify it. B is crossing the C at which point? All of you check it. B is crossing at the C at which point? B and C now.
5.5, sir.
B graph this is
5.5.
and B graph this is. Have you noticed it here? B and
Sir,
C.
5.5 kilometers.
Yes.
5 kilometers.
You can check it here. This is the point where they are meeting. Yes or no, guys? All of you? Yes, please respond. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many boxes? Check it here. One box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? How many boxes are there? Distance
Sir,
covered
5
by,
or 5.5
yeah.
near the.
Distance covered by B by the time it passes. C is equals to how many boxes? C is equals to how many boxes? All of you. See, by the time, how many boxes it is travel? 10 boxes. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
It covered 10 boxes. Now, can you tell me what is approximately one box is equals to how much, Mari? 0 to 4. One small box is equals to how much? All of you.
Sir.
One small box is equals to, Ray, how or 2? How many boxes? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes is equals to.
7, sir.
Now again I will count it. All of you read. Not 10 boxes it is. Now I forgot to count. Yeah, you can count properly. I will count it. You check it here, all of you. How many boxes? Count it. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5 box, 6 box, 7 box, 8 box, 9 box, 10 box. So totally how many boxes? 10 boxes. Clear? Now 0 to 4, how many boxes? Everybody check it. 7 boxes.
Sir.
Means one small box is equals to 4 kilometer divided by 7, which is equals to how much? 4 by 7 kilometer. Is it right or wrong, Mari? One small box
Yes.
is equals to. Yes, please respond, guys.
Yes,
No,
sir.
but yes. So then 10 boxes means what is the journey? One box is 4 by 7 means then what is the distance covered by B? Distance covered by B, which is equals to 10 boxes into 4 by 7. How much it is? 40 by 7. Fastly respond. 40 by 7.
Yes.
How much is that?
0.5.
Mari, Ray, what rolling is 40 by 7 ra 5.7 kilometers. Okay, that is the distance covered by B when the time of it is crossing the C. Is it okay, guys? Agalya, Sanjay, Shivani, understood or
Yes,
not?
sir.
That is what you have to remember. I hope you all understood this question. Approximately 5.5
Sir,
or
then it's
5.7.
not 5.5, sir.
It's approximately 5.7. It is not exactly 5.5, 5.7
Yes,
also,
sir.
Mari. We are finding approximately. Purima Mari.
Okay.
Because
Yes, sir.
4 by 7 means it is not an ending point. Have you noticed it? 4 by 7, you find it 0.571428 like that continuously coming. Correct or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
exactly if I'll multiply 10 into 5, 0.5, then you will get approximately 5. 57, 0.57. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Okay. So approximately how much distance is cover B when the time of it is crossing the C? All of you.
5.1.
Yes, please. That is what 5.7. Is it okay, wa? Everybody understood, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's a very interesting question. Yes or no? That is what it is. You have to remember. So when the time of A cross, this is the B crossing the A, this is the C crossing the A, and this is the B crossing the C. Is it okay, guys? 3 junctions. Okay, wa? Understand? Now, can you tell? Let us find one more question. Can you tell me the distance traveled by C when the time of it is crossing the A? Anybody? Distance traveled by C when the time of it is crossing the A. Yes, please. Yeah, everybody. See, it is starting at this point. Hey, here it is starting. From here you have to count it. So how many boxes? 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5 box, 6 box, 7 box, 8 box. Correct or not? Yes, please. So distance
Yes, sir.
traveled by C by the time of crossing A, which is equals to 8 box into 1 box equals to how many kilometers? Everybody.
4 by 7 kilometers.
Yeah, so 32 divided by 7. How much it is? How much C travel?
4.5.
4.57 kilometers. When it is
Yes, sir.
crossing the A by the time of distance travel by C when it is crossing the A. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay, sorry. C means from here or A. I forgot it. C means here. This is A. This is
Yes, sir.
distance
That was
crossed
answer,
by
yes.
A by C is 4.5. Then C by crossing the time of A, which is equals to from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, guys. Then 15 into what? 4 by 7.
4 by
How much
7.
it is? Yes, please. 60. 60 by 7. How much it is?
8.5.
8.5 kilometers. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Amari? How to find everything? So that is what. Not only
Yes, sir.
what they have given in the book, you have to be ready to able to understand everything. Shailesh, Lingesh, Kishore, Purima. Now how to find this graph based question is very, very important. Very, very important questions. Okay. So this is what question number 6. So question number 5. Mari, send the screenshot in the photo in the group. Everybody will try to solve and try to draw the graph in the graph paper, and we can see that this question number 5 entirely wrong in the book. Okay, guys. Yes. So we'll stop it here, and from question number 7, we people will continue in the next class. Is it okay, everybody? Even question number
Yes,
7 you
sir.
can solve. Let it be solve the question number 7. 2 minutes. We'll finish it. So right, read the question. Darshan, read the question. A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meters. So,
from a height 20 meters, if it is velocity increases.
yeah, you tell me first. Freely fall. Freely falling means initial velocity is what? Of course, it is dropped from. Yes. So h is equals to 20 meters. It is initial velocity dropped from top. What is the initial velocity? Everybody.
0.
0 meter per second. We all know it. Next. If its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square, means what is the acceleration? 10 meter per second square. So coming down, I told you positive or negative. I already taught you people. Positive or negative coming down. coming down it is positive. Yes or no, Lingesh? Now, with what velocity will it strike the ground? Means before
The
touching
first
the ground.
equation.
Yeah, no, wrong, Mari. No time is mentioned. Have you noticed it? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
final velocity before touching the ground? And after what time will it strike the ground? Time also we should find. First, we have to find.
Sir, the third equation. First, we need to find the time, sir.
No, you can find time or velocity. Of course, they are asking time. Sorry, velocity. So let us find velocity. So for finding
So
velocity,
third
which
equation.
third equation, v
Third
square minus
equation.
u square equals to 2gh. So we want to find what now? Final velocity. So final velocity minus initial velocity square, 0 square into 2 into 10 into 20. So which is equals to 20 into 20, which is equals to 20 square. Can I write it or not? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
20 into 20. So square and 20 will get cancelled. So what is the final velocity? Everybody?
20
meters.
20 meters per second. Or else you can write 400 also. So root 400, how much guys? 20 only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir,
time they are asking. So what is the time? Which equation you can use? You know velocities and time. V equals to U plus 80. So final velocity is 20. Initial velocity is 0. 10 into time. So 20 is equals to 10t. T is equals to 20 by 10. Which is equals to how many seconds, guys?
2 seconds.
Huh? How many seconds?
2 seconds.
Second.
That's all. Clear? So this is what about it. Any doubt anybody can ask me. Okay, guys? Okay?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
So till question number
Understood.
7. Till question number 7, everybody solve. Question number 5, Mr. Mari will send in the group and you try to draw it. Tomorrow I will explain it. And from question number 8 to question number 10, four questions are there. That questions we will solve in the next class. Okay. Thank you,
Sir,
everybody.
can I please note that
Okay,
solved
sir.
some
Thank you, sir.
That's on the
Yeah.
sum.
Yes. Okay,
Thank
Mari.
you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Solve it, Raresh.
Thank you, sir.
Nilesh. I'll check the book. I'll check.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'll see. I'll see. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mari, send that photo in group, Mari. They let them solve.
Yes, sir.